Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Void Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are diving into a powerful free RTOS feature, how to change a task's own priority dynamically at runtime using the STM32 Nucleo board. This technique can help you fine-tune the task scheduling and responsiveness in real-time systems. So let us get started step by step. One important thing, if you have not watched its previous tutorial, so go and watch first for better understanding. Now I'll copy the project task priority 1 and paste here. Let us rename 07 change task priority 1. Now click on copy. OK. Now let us expand this. Go to core src and open main.c file. OK. Now delete these .launch file one by one. Now clean the project. Right click over here and click on clean project. OK. These are red LED, green LED and blue LED task function definition, and these are task create function to create a task. The task priority of all tasks is 3. So same CPU time will be shared by each task. Once we will debug this code to understand the task priority. Now click on debug. OK, let us select the debugger and check this ST link and scan, apply, then OK. OK, now code debugging is started. OK. Now click on live expression and remove all these variables. Let us add task profiler variable into live expression. Red LED task profiler, green LED task profiler and blue LED task profiler. OK, now it is time to resume the debugging. Click on resume. You can see each task profiler is increasing because of all these 3 tasks are running due to same task priority. Okay. Now let us change the task priority of red LED task 2. So when red LED task priority will be 2, then it will be stopped and these green and blue LED tasks will execute only. Now stop the debugging and add the function to change the task priority into red LED task. Copy this red LED task profiler and use if statement to check its value is equal to 100k. Then call the function vTaskPrioritySet and pass here null for self task and 2 is priority. Okay. It means if red LED task profiler is equal to 100k, then red LED task priority will be changed. Now start the debugging to test it. Click on debug and OK. Switch. Now resume the debugging. Wow, you can see red LED task profiler is not increasing more than 100k because the red LED task priority is changed to, so red LED task is lower task priority, so it is not getting the time to execute. Remaining task green and blue LED task is continue. Okay. Now let us see other example. Stop the debugging and we will change the task priority 1 here. Copy and comment these lines and paste into the green LED task. Okay. Change it green task profiler. Okay. So now all the task priority is 1 and when green LED task profiler will be equal to 100k, then green LED task priority will be 2. So remaining task will not get time to execute and only green LED task will be executed because its priority is higher than all remaining tasks. Okay. Now let us start the debugging. Click on debug and OK. Switch. OK. Now click on resume. You can see only green LED task profiler is increasing because only green LED task is running and remaining task red and blue LED task is not running because its task priority is 2 is lower than green and blue LED task. Okay. So it is not getting the time from scheduler to run. Okay. That's it friends, I hope you enjoyed this activity and able to change the task priority in runtime. If you found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.